Hello everyone, it's Colette, and today we're going to be working on this Latte Swirl as part of Water Marble March. If you love nail art, be sure you subscribe to my channel, My Simple Little Pleasures. And if you'd like to see how I did this, just stay tuned. Starting out with clean dry nails, we're going to begin with a base coat. Today I'm using Holo Peely Base, and you can use whichever is your personal favorite. For today's water marble, we're going to be using several shades of Zoya browns. The darkest one is Louise. Then there's Nyssa, Spencer, and finally Taylor, which is also going to be my base color. Once I have that applied, I'll be protecting around my nails with liquid latex as well as tape. As usual for a water marble, I'm working in a 5-ounce paper cup filled with room temperature filtered water. Usually I wouldn't be a fan of a bullseye with this much drift to one side, but for this design it doesn't really matter since it's kind of a swirly design. I'll just pretend like I drew to the side there, and then I'm basically going to draw in a series of swirls and S-curves all over the cup until I'm happy with it or until it starts to get sticky. Something about, I think, like that. And then I'm going to go ahead and dip my nails. For this cup, I'm going to dip my thumb and pinky, and then in the next cup I'm going to be going for the rest of my nails on this hand. Make sure to clean up all the excess polish from the surface so that it doesn't stick on top of your nails. And once everything is clean, I'm going to go ahead and slowly pull out. And there's the water marble. For removing my protection, I'm going to use a tweezer and then move on to the rest of my nails. Once all my nails are done, I'm going to use a Q-tip for any of the larger areas as well as underneath my nails. Then I'll be cleaning up closer in with my usual small brush dipped in acetone. Once cleanup is complete and any bubbles are pressed flat, I'm going to go ahead and finish with the top coat, and as usual, I'm using Seche Vite. here's the finished manicure, and I'm really pleased with how this turned out. I've been doing some more abstract designs lately and kind of just enjoying all the nails being consistent without being identical. And abstract designs give you a little bit more leniency when you're dipping as well, although there's still room for error. If you'd like to see the extended tutorial for this one, that will be up here on YouTube shortly. And if you'd like to join me live for nail art, you can come follow over at twitch.tv/ColetteMSLP. I'd love to hear what you guys think of this one down in the comments. I hope you all enjoyed, and if you did, I hope you'll leave a thumbs up. And of course, as always, thanks for watching.